AI prompt engineering is the practice of designing, writing, and refining the prompts given to a generative AI system to elicit specific, high quality, as well as relevant outputs. It involves choosing the right words, phrases, formats, and context to guide the AI in performing tasks such as text generation, summarization, translation, or even image generation. Effective prompt engineering helps bridge the gap between raw user queries and meaningful AI responses by systematically tweaking prompts through trial and error until the desired outcome is achieved. This discipline is key to maximizing the accuracy, usefulness, and the creativity of AI-generated content, saving time on manual review and improving user interaction with AI systems. It is particularly important because generative AI models require detailed, context-rich prompts to provide productive as well as precise and relevant results rather than vague or generalized ones. Prompt engineering has become an essential skill with the rise of LLMs because it directly influences the quality, accuracy, and usefulness of the AI's outputs. All LLMs are highly flexible but also sensitive to input prompts. The way a prompt is crafted can mean the difference between a vague, unhelpful response and a precise, insightful one. The key principles of prompt engineering, like being explicit, specifying any format, and giving context, are crucial for guiding an AI model to produce an accurate and relevant output. Let's talk about being explicit. Explicitness means clearly stating what you want the AI to do without ambiguity. This reduces misinterpretation and focuses the AI's response. For example, instead of saying, "write about marketing," an explicit prompt would write a 300-word article on digital marketing trends in the region of Africa for 2025. Clearly ensures that the AI understands the intent and scope for precisely. Specifying format. Specifying format guides the AI on how to present the output. This could include asking for a list, a table, bulleted points for an essay. For example, provide a list of 5 popular movies from the 1980s with release dates in tabular format. Instruct the AI on both content and structure, making the response immediately usable and clear. Let's talk about giving context. Context provides background information on situational details needed to tailor the AI's response appropriately. For instance, if asking for a product description, giving details about the product's features, target audience, and tone will help the AI generate a fitting and precise description. Without context, the AI's output may be too generic and too irrelevant. Together, these principles enhance the prompt effectiveness by reducing guesswork and enabling the AI to deliver outputs aligned with user expectations, boosting efficiency and output quality in AI interactions. Simple prompts are brief and straightforward instructions given to AI, often consisting of just a few words or basic commands. They are easy to write and understand, but may result in vague or generic responses because they lack detailed guidance or context. For example, a simple prompt might be, "write about marketing." This gives the AI broad direction but leaves much more room open for interpretation. Let's just see what the tool is going to generate for us here. You see, a lot of information is very vague, and there's not a lot of context. Whereas clear, specific prompts, on the other hand, are carefully crafted inputs that precisely detail the task desired, the format, the context, as well as constraints. These prompts reduce ambiguity and guide the AI to produce targeted, relevant, and high-quality outputs. For instance, a clear, specific prompt would be, for instance, All right, so this type of prompt tells the AI exactly what is expected regarding the length, regarding the audience, topic, focus, as well as structure. So let's just see what response we're gonna get now. All right, so this is a lot more structure and a lot more specific, and it's not as vague, right? And it gets straight to the point. And that's the whole concept behind prompt engineering. We want to communicate with these technologies to get exactly what we need in the format we need it. And the better the prompt, the less iterating we're going to need. So the main difference lies in the level of detail and clarity. The simple prompt prioritizes brevity, while the clear specific prompt maximizes specificity. Clear specific prompts yield better, more useful results because they align the AI's output with user goals, minimizing trial and error and improving productivity. Effective AI use often involves iterating simple prompts into clear, detailed ones to harness the full power of large learning models. The main difference lies in the level of detail and its clarity. The simple prompt prioritizes brevity, while the clear specific prompt maximizes specificity. Clear specific prompts yield better, more useful results because they align the AI's output with user goals, minimizing trial and error and improving productivity. Effective AI use often involves iterating simple prompts into clear, detailed ones to harness the full power of large language models. Effective AI use often involves iterating simple prompts into clear, detailed ones to harness the full power of large language models.